Okay, day 6 here at the North Bethesda condo renovation. My contractor Kiko's hurting, so been slowed down a little bit, but I just want to make sure he's okay. And he said he did have some updates and changes, so we're going to go in there and take a look at that right now. So let's go. Getting everything ready framing wise for the shower. That's what Kiko's doing. Kiko's been suffering with a back issue a little bit. So
I want to stand this one. But it doesn't have enough space.
enough space to go into the wall, yeah.
Yeah, so what I think is to put it like a corner sausage too over here if you like it.
Just kind of wedge them in.
Yes, the corner over here.
Yeah.
Yes, corner sausage.
Let me think about that one. But this one's definitely out.
Yes.
Okay.
Or
Okay.
if you want, I can another bench and then put shampoo over here.
I think it'll make it look too tight then.
Too tight?
Yeah, since we have to put the bench over here because of the piping to hide that, we should leave that space open.
Yeah, we need to connect on the air.
Yeah.
On the
So-
bench, we're gonna cover the pipe.
Yeah. Yeah, so let's leave it off over there. Let me think about that, because maybe we'll just leave it open to let somebody do what they want to do, so it makes it look bigger. When do we have to get tiles?
You choose already or no?
I sort of have an idea, but
Tomorrow is supposed to come one guy to help me.
okay.
He knows what to do. So I would like to have a at least for Monday.
Okay.
you
Okay.
know, or Tuesday.
Okay, so we'll go pick them up one day together then.
Yes.
All right. All right, we are picking out the tile now, making final decisions here. So Kiko is hurting. I feel bad. He's hurting. So we've got the selection. We're gonna go ahead and give this 24 by 48 inch a shot.
It's about 3/8, 1/4. Maybe we have to put something in between the accent.
In
Maybe
between,
it's
in
gonna
between.
be different thickness than this one.
Oh, for the accent piece.
Yes. I don't know.
Yeah, good point. All right, so this is the piece we're going to use for the shower floor, and we'll run it up an accent for the shower wall. We're rushing us out of here, so we got to go. We'll see you back at the condo the next time. Okay, so as you can see, Kiko is hurting a little bit. He wasn't able to move last week for a few days, so I told him he had to shut it down. But we'll be moving forward right now. I just told him slow and steady, slow and steady. So we'll see you for day 7. Stay tuned. All right, day 7. Yeah, day 7 here at this North Bethesda condo. We're renovating before we sell it. Kiko was supposed to leave the door open. He did. Let's get the lights on. Nothing happening here yet out here on the front. But the bathroom, you'll see the progress. The groundwork for preparation of the tile and everything is here. This is the second bathroom, the hallway, guest bathroom, and for the second bedroom. So that's all ready to go. And next, the master suite bathroom, which if you've been following us from the beginning, go check out the previous videos to see what it looked like. Then we'll show in the end, the final video, the before and after. But it's a huge difference, and you may not think visually from aesthetically pleasing look, it's a big difference, but you'll see right now, it's a big difference in terms of the construction and renovation end. So really the framing and everything is there for us to begin work You'll see the plumbing is done. We've got the bench down here. If you saw in the previous videos, part of the reason the bench had to be over here was because of this pipe that was angled down from the old bathtub, from the framing around that. And there's the pipe up here. So we're gonna have a nice big rain shower coming down, so it's gonna be beautiful. And the flooring selection and the tile flooring, you'll see us talking about the different tiles from the floor to core, which is where we end up going. Instead of a wider selection, and we still haven't decided exactly on 12 by 24 tiles, which are still large, which I would always recommend going with the larger tiles now, especially, well, I just think every space. In the smaller spaces it looks even better. But we also looked at 24 by 48, and those are massive. And Kiko, we haven't decided, so the next video, day 8, I think we should be, if not day 8, day 9, we'll have that tile selection. So stay tuned to see whether it's 12 by 24 or 24 by 48. That's, we're talking 48, 4 feet long, right? Massive tile. Wanted to give it a different look, a different feel, because you're really not seeing that very much, but you might start seeing that trend a little bit more in newer renovations, the 24 by 48, even 30 by 60 inch tiles, just huge tiles. So find out. You have to wait and see on the next video or the next either day 8 or day 9. I think we showed this before over here. This is where the old small little shower is, right? This little space right here, not very much space, and that big giant soaking tub, which people don't really use anymore. So the advantage of having the big giant shower versus the tiny shower in the soaking tub, we just thought it was better. But we'll just cap this off just in case somebody wants to down the road. They want to put a tinier shower in there. They can go at it. So the water pipes are all still there, just capped off. So that's it. We will see you in day 8. Thanks for checking this out. And remember, if you want somebody, or you know somebody, or you want a condo, 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a massive outdoor space that's a block and a half from Whole Foods and shopping and restaurants, then let me know in advance. It's going to be beautiful. All the flooring and everything else, that will probably be next week. So I am out of here for now. I'm going to go get a quick workout, and we'll be back at it tomorrow. Take care. Have a great day. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see the rest of the videos in this condo renovation project from start to finish until we take it live for sale, then click over here, subscribe, or down below, wherever it is, and we'll see you on the next video.